Again, thinking on the theme happiness. Up until July this year, I was in a very long funk, shall we say. My mental health was really not great, and as somebody that suffers with mental health, there's quite a lot of content in my book about it. And this poem continues to be a bit of a shining light to me, and what I hope is that that will translate over to you. And it's called The Songbird. Green finch gentle in its bird, nightingale, blackbird, how is it you sing? The songbird has been sitting in sorrowful slumber for a while now. It doesn't know how this came to be. It isn't free to fly or tear through the open air with beautiful abandon. Instead, it sits and ponders a little longer than it's meant to, taught to, told to. But here, between hanging lights and lanterns and beneath the highest ceilings of all, this songbird spreads its dusty wings and sings, softly to begin with, building to the greatest crescendo it can muster. Maybe it was the change of scene, maybe it was knowing it would be heard, really heard, or maybe it was an instinct, a distinct and familiar action to match the rousing of a feeling, a memory. I am home. This is what I know. And though I to and fro fret and despair, there is wonder in memory, the living, breathing muscle of it all. If I cannot